In this video, I will show you how to withdraw euro from Binance to Revolut. So I have in here this article, so it will show us to transfer crypto from Binance to Revolut. So this actually have two methods. It has fiat from Binance as well as crypto assets from Binance. So for example, on the method one, we have in here this. In order to transfer crypto assets, put it in a P2P wallet in Binance and then copy your Revolut bank details. Add your Revolut bank details to Binance P2P and initiate the sell order and to complete the P2P trade. So you can transfer your crypto assets to P2P wallet using this case. First things first, just log in and then click on transfer option right here, and then to that input right here the fiat and spot, and then send in funding, choosing here the coin as well as the amount for that. Then click onto this option right here in order to copy your Revolut tag, and then copy your tag from there. Then click on trade, click on P2P on your Binance. And then after that, click onto the payment methods and then add a payment method for that. And then input right here your actual Rev tag and then click on confirm once you're done and initiate the sell order right here and click on sell USD. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.